Are you selling your home and you need to buy a replacement home, but you need the funds of the home that you are selling to purchase another property? Despite higher rates, some homes are still selling with multiple offers and bidding wars. Then there is a low inventory to contend with. So many sellers are worried that they won't be able to find a replacement home. This is a totally valid concern. Hi, I'm Tanja Odzak, eXp Realty, and I help people sell and buy homes right here in the East Bay. This is a very common concern, and one solution that can be done is that I can help you negotiate a rent back on your property. You see, in a competitive market, when sellers have many offers to choose from, sellers are much less likely to take a contingent offer because there is a risk that the home the buyer is selling could fall out of escrow. This would cause a seller selling their home to have to find another buyer. The seller would lose money and waste a lot of time. So it's easier for them to accept a non-contingent offer. However, a solution for sellers who want to sell right now but are afraid that they won't be able to find a replacement home is to sell their home and do a rent back. So what's a rent back? A rent back is when, after you sell your home, you remain in the property. This way, you have the funds to purchase a new home and you will not be contingent. So your offer is much more likely to get accepted. This will take the stress and the worry off. Now there are terms to navigate and negotiations that need to be considered to keep you safe. But after years of helping many sellers sell their homes, I have seen a lot. I know exactly what to negotiate and what needs to be considered on your behalf to keep you safe. So no one needs to worry. This is just one of the many solutions that I have up my sleeve. There are many more solutions that I have in helping you sell your home and get you the home of your dreams, even with limited inventory. So call me and let's talk about it. I'm a seasoned East Bay expert with a 5-star rating. I'll help you navigate the market and make it happen, whether that's selling or buying or both. And ask me about my home selling plans. I took the pain out of negotiating with the Realtor and made it super simple. Really. Choose silver, gold, or platinum, pick your plan, and pick your price. Terms do apply. I'm Tanya, and I sell homes. Let's get you going. Call me today.